Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm gonna explain to you the array types in TypeScript. What are arrays in TypeScript, how they work, and there are two types of array we work on the types in TypeScript. I will show you both of them. Okay, so first you can create any file name. Okay, I call my file name because I'm working with arrays, array.ts, and so now I'm gonna try to show you how we use arrays types in TypeScript. So as you know, array is a used to store multiple values of the same type. Okay, so multiples of the same type. Okay, so these multiple values are vary or unique, but they must be in the same type. For example, let me show you with a string array type, or string array type. Okay, for example, let me say that you want to create an array that stores your favorite food. Okay, that stores your favorite food. For example, let's my favorite foods, which equals to, and let me give it first let me show you the old way we create. We say like this, and pizza, hamburger, and sushi. And now let me give it some icon. I like to give icon pizza, and let me give it also for hamburger, and let me give also the sushi, sushi. Okay, so now I have my favorite food, pizza, hamburger, and sushi. So these are the old way we create the arrays in JS. But so now when we come in TypeScript, we give with this symbol, and we say that a string, and we give this symbol, open parenthesis and close parenthesis, this bracket symbol. So because I'm using a string, is that the data I'm using in here, or my foods, are the string types. Okay, which are the strings types, they are not numbers. So what if they are numbers? I may use like a number values in here. Okay, so now let's test that if our array is working successfully. For example, you can iterate it, or you can simply print out. For example, let me iterate for example for late, or if I iterate, let me show you simple without any complexity. For example, let me print out the exact array as it is, and if I print out, it says that look it, pizza, hamburger, and sushi. Let me run it again, and it says that my favorite foods are pizza and hamburger and sushi. They are printed successfully. So now how let me test and some array operation. For example, let me say like my favorite foods dot push, or dot push, for example, my favorite food. For example, I may use like a pasta, or pasta. Okay, a pasta sorry guys, pasta. Okay, so now I'm pushing to my array at the end of my favorite foods, the pasta. Let me run it again, and it is, my pasta is added in here. Before it is a sushi. Let me close this. Before it was a sushi, now it says the last item is pasta. Okay, what if I went to delete the last one, again the pasta, and my favorite dot pop, and semicolon, save it again, and run it the code, and again this part will be removed, the sushi. Again, let me copy paste this code and run it, and pizza and hamburger will left. Okay, so now this is how we do it in TypeScript, the types. Okay, so the main idea not to show you the methods, but to test how the array works. So this is the first way of we creating an array types in TypeScript. This is the string types, And also now let me test this array with a numbers. Okay, so let me say like a numbers array types. For example, let my lucky numbers key numbers let me give it a number value of an array declaration, then which equals to my lucky numbers, for example 7, 1 and 8. For example, these are my lucky numbers, and let me save it and let me console dot log, or let me print to the console my lucky numbers. Okay, my lucky number I didn't mention. So let me save and run. As you know, as you look in here, 7, 1 and are printed successfully. So I work it in here the same. So I forget that I didn't show you in here what if I add a wrong data type in here. For example, let me comment this. If I add a number 12, so I cannot add my number data type to these strings of arrays because it is a type of a string. So the TypeScript will do red line. It says that the type number is not assignable to the type string. Okay, so it is a number. So if you want to store a number, you have to create your own number type of array. Okay, so that's why the TypeScript give you strong overview of your code. Okay, for example, in here we did a number types and we are printing the numbers. So I showed you that they are successfully printed if I provide a string name, or for example hello. It doesn't work. Okay, so because it is a string, because I provided in here, it is a number. So TypeScript is easy if you are working step by step with the flow. Okay, so this is the two ways of how we used TypeScript in array types. Let me show you that the second method. This is the first method. Okay, first method, or the first way, and let me comment and let me show you that also the second way. So this is the little bit the old way, but let me show you anyways. For example, const my favorite movies. Okay, my favorite movies will be array of a string, and I will give it a value of equal sign, then this parenthesis, and I will close it in here. So my favorite movies are, for example, let me say that a Spider-Man, or okay, if not auto completion is work, Spider-Man, and also some Avengers and Batman. It's suggesting me that is good, and let me print the movies, and it says that okay, so don't look this code. It says Spider-Man, Avengers and Batman. Okay, so this is the old way of creating arrays in TypeScript. We provide the array and we give it a provide of that belongs data type, then it works smoothly. Okay, so it says that Spider-Man, Avengers and Batman. Okay, so similar like above code, you cannot provide like numbers. If you provide a number with a provided a string, will be errors. Okay, so to solve this kind of problems, you have to create your own number. For example, const like my my favorite numbers, or you can say like array of a type of a number, and you can give it a value of 1, 2, 3, whatever number you want. Okay, so these are my favorite numbers. So if I add a string number in here, it doesn't work because I provided a number in here, so the string values will not work for me. Okay, so if you are trying to work with a number, you have to provide a number. If you are working with a string, you have to provide a string types. Okay, so this is how we do it in TypeScript. I hope you guys understand the array types in array types, how they work in TypeScript. So this is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will motivate me to create more content, and like this video. I see you on the next part. Bye bye.